Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make this crop top. I use milk cotton yarn and 4mm hook. First, I will make 45 foundation chain. This is the length of my top will be. It equal 21 cm long. After you have your desired length, skip to chain and make double crochet in every chain. For the row number 2, make chain of 2 as the turning chain, and then turn your work, and continue make double crochet in every stitches. Repeat this double crochet row until you have 4 rows. For the row number 5, I will make chain 1 as the turning chain, and back loop only single crochet in every stitches. For row number 6, is the same with the row number 5. Make chain 1 as the turning chain and make back loop only single crochet in every stitches. For next 4 rows is double crochet rows. Just make chain of 2 and turn your work and make double crochet in every stitches. For next 2 rows, just make chain 1 and make back loop only single crochet in every stitches. Alright, and for the next row, just make 4 rows of double crochet and then 2 rows of back loop only single crochet until you got your desired wide. Mine is 52 centimeter wide. I will add 1 more row of single crochet and cut the yarn. For the other side, I will add 1 more row of single crochet and cut the yarn. Alright, here I put stitch marker to mark where the strap will be. For the front strap, I put 14 centimeter apart. And for the underarm, I put 17 centimeter apart. From the back is 4 centimeter. And I already made one strap, and we will do the other one together. I will start from the front part. First, attach the yarn and make chain of 50. It will be equal 22 centimeter, but if you want it longer, just add more chains. After you have your desired length, attach it to the back part with 2 slip stitch. And then turn your work and make half double crochet in every stitches. After you finish, make half double crochet in every stitches, attach it with 2 slip stitch. Turn your work and make chain of 3. And make 1 double crochet in the same stitch. Next, chain of 3 and then skip 4 stitches and make 1 single crochet. Chain of 3, skip 4 stitches and make 1 double crochet, chain 1 and 1 more double crochet in the same stitch. Next, chain of 3, skip 4 stitches and make 1 single crochet. Keep repeating this until you finish it. After you finish, make 2 slip stitch to attach it. Turn your work. Make 1 single crochet in this chain 1 space. And make 7 double crochet in the same stitch. Make chain 1 and skip this chain space and make 7 double crochet in this chain 1 space. Keep repeating this until you finish it. After you finish it, make 2 slip stitch to attach it and cut the yarn. Now I will attach the back strap. I will add front ruffle by weaving the strap like so. And this is it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.